I have a special Valentine delivery from Cupid. This is for, please read what it says, to who it's who?
To Jessica, the coupon hacker, or the coupon queen.
Yes, that's right.
There we
It's
go.
for the GMI crew. We should
Happy Valentine's
stick
Day.
together. Happy Valentine's Day.
Of course, a perfect little candy craft as well, because that's what we're
love
doing
it.
for Thrifty Thursday today. Jessica, we usually have your meals that feed your family for under $10, but we like to get into the spirit of the holidays because people may be having some friends over or whatever.
Yeah.
Some quick ideas that if you haven't planned out yet, you still have plenty of time, right?
You do. You have plenty of time.
This is brilliant.
This is fun. This one is making edible confetti, which, as you can tell, if you can feel it, it gets nice and hard and
Nice and hard and sticky.
taste it.
Cupcakes.
Yes.
What do you
It
put
is
it on?
edible.
You could do anything. You could put it on cupcakes. You could just put it in cute little envelopes. You know, maybe
Yeah.
just give it to somebody as a Valentine.
It could probably
Put
just
it on your
decorate a table too, right?
Yeah, and let your kids eat it. You know, it just kind of something fun maybe tonight, especially if you're not going out and you're staying at home with your kids. Kind of make it cute and
Yeah.
fun.
So it is easy. What'd you do with
It's
it?
super easy. So Airheads is all you need.
Which are like a
Love
candy from the
Airheads.
past. They're
Yeah.
still around, but they always remind me of my childhood.
Yes. So you can do, and this is what's fun because Airheads come in so many colors. So you can do it
Strawberry.
for any different holiday. I use the strawberry, the cherry, and the mystery.
Mystery.
Because it's
It's a
white.
gamble.
Yes. The idea is you just want to get
Living
them
on the
kind
edge.
of warm. You know, you don't want to melt them too much, but just get them warm enough that they're pliable.
Do you like heat them up or just like warm them in your
Yeah,
hands?
you know,
or?
I found that heating it, be super careful. It's amazing how quick it just turns hard, you know, rock hard.
Oh, okay.
So if you do, just do it for a couple seconds, or just try to get it kind of just warm, you know, with your hands.
Stick it in
or
your
something.
armpit or
Yep,
something. where it's-
sit on them. Yeah. Do that, and then you just want to put
Don't
it
tell
on
people
some.
how you warmed it up though when you serve it.
It's so
Don't tell them what
pliable.
body part
It
was
is.
touching.
I'm
you,
amazed.
Yeah, you just want to put it on some wax paper and
Okay.
roll it out, and that's why you want it to be really pliable.
Oh, and that's why we've got the rolling pin as well.
That's
Okay.
why we have that. So then I just found if you at least kind of get it to be in a smaller, more pliable,
Workable, yeah.
thing, and then you're just taking hole punches.
A craft hole punch.
You're using
Yep.
a hole punch.
And
I
these
like
are
it.
and some of
Yep.
these are heart shaped, right?
I
You've
have-
got circle
I
and
know.
heart shaped.
Heart-shaped.
Yep.
This is
They're
so-
working
where
on
did you get
eating.
these?
You can get them at any craft store. These ones are actually for food grade, but you can use normal ones.
Figure out how to use it.
Yep.
Perfect.
And you just punch it.
Just punch them out, and
And
then we get all
voila.
the confetti like this.
Yep.
And quickly, before we go in this segment, you have an edible
Yes.
love note.
To make a little
Easiest
bit-
thing ever.
You can do this morning before your kids go to school. Take a banana and just use a
Right,
toothpick.
the most embarrassing thing you can to them.
Yep.
So their
You
friends
don't
see
even
it.
want to see the ones that my kids did this morning. They're not
gave
here
you
for a
my heart.
reason. See?
It's the confetti on there.
And by the time they get to lunch, it'll already be bruised enough to show the message on the
There
phone.
you go. Awesome. So kind of
I
a
love
revealing
that.
message. Invisible
Yes.
at first, shows
That's
up
right.
later. So a couple easy crafts. We've got more coming up as well for your
we
party.
do.
A little bit more intense ones as well.
Yes.
So more Thrifty Thursday coming up after this while we eat our little confettis.
Bree and Spencer. I'm not over there because I'm sick, you guys, and I don't want to get.
Don't breathe on our
I don't want to
breakfast
breathe
food.
on all the treats.
All right, Jessica is here for part 2 of Thrifty Thursday today. We were using these earlier because we made some homemade confetti.
Yep.
Edible confetti out of those Airhead candies.
Yes.
We got some more ideas, a little bit more involved, but still plenty of time to do them if maybe you haven't planned ahead for your party, right?
Absolutely.
and
yeah.
so affordable.
They
Yeah.
really are. They're super easy. Strawberries right now, you would think it was the peak season for them. It's Valentine's. They're really
everywhere.
cheap. They're everywhere. You can pick up, I mean, this, you know, is a pound of them for, I mean, anywhere from $1.50 to $2.
And they
they're-
look good.
They're
They're really
really
red.
good. Yeah, they're really, really good. So this one's another really simple one. You just want to pick, you know, any of them. Of course, you want to get rid of the stem.
That's always the part I have
Yes.
left when I do strawberries in fondue.
Yes.
And I'm like,
Yeah,
what
and
do I
then
do
what do I
now?
do with this? Huh?
Yeah, it's exactly. So take them off, and then you just want to do a slit. Be really careful, and you want to make a slit.
Because this
And
comes
is
in
gonna
handy for
make-
the shape that you're making.
Yes,
Of
and so
course.
that way it ends up, you know, because when you cut it in half,
Looking
you have
like
a
a
heart.
heart, okay.
Yep. So then when you cut it in half, you end up with this really cute.
How easy is that?
Heart.
Hearts. And then you just
Yeah.
made some kebabs of
Yeah,
them, basically,
I've just
right?
stuck them on skewers.
Look
so
at that.
Perfect
Yep.
for fondue. I am going to do fondue tonight. You got to do
Yep.
the fondue.
Do the fondue.
Yes.
yes,
That's
and so it's
perfect.
perfect. So then you can dip them into your chocolate for fondue, or you know,
Or even just for
already put
presentation.
yeah,
They're there.
just-
They're
cute.
decoration.
Yep, they're great.
Okay, those are great. I don't mean to, you know, undermine those, but
Yes.
let's move on to the real part of this. We've got some bacon in house once
can't-
again.
I can't even.
We've got bacon
wow.
roses.
Bacon roses, making flowers out of the best meat ever.
What
Exactly.
every man wants for Valentine's
Yeah, who
Day.
wouldn't? I would want those.
Yeah,
Okay,
women
I
too.
know.
There you go.
But yeah, they're really easy. Just start with some really thick bacon, because obviously it's gonna cook down a lot.
Okay.
So do really thick strips. Just roll it pretty tight, and I'm using a mini muffin tin. You could use any. This just works good because it helps hold the size of it.
Yeah.
Right.
But stick them all in there, standing up, like that.
Do you poke them with the toothpick or anything, or do they
You don't
just kind of
need to.
keep their shape in the
You
muffin
don't
tins?
need to. Yeah,
Awesome.
if you're not putting them in one of these, I probably would use toothpicks just to kind of help because they are going to kind of expand. So, but just cook them. I cooked them at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or so until they're done. The thicker ones took a little bit longer. But then after they're done, the roses, I bought
Look at this.
yeah, I know they're all kind of attached in there. I know some of them are like on two, but what's fun is you can get these flowers. They're fake flowers. They're cheap. I picked them up at the dollar store. Obviously, I got a whole bunch for $1. So it's really frugal. Take the roses off, in which then, of course, you can cut up the petals.
And use as decoration.
Yep, and to
You're
decorate.
kind of like a hunter. You don't let any part go to waste,
No,
right? When
you got to use
so
it
if you go to
all.
the dollar
Everything
store
gets
and then,
used.
yeah.
Yes, and then that way you're just left with the bud. So then I've kind of made a mess of my chocolate here. But just put some chocolate on the bottom.
And this is the second time in a week, I might add, that we've had chocolate on bacon, and it is an amazing
Isn't it
combination.
amazing?
Don't doubt it until you try it.
And
Yeah.
just stick it on
Just
there.
stick it on top of there, and
Yep.
lovely centerpiece, lovely gift, lovely
Yeah.
party favor, whatever.
Exactly.
Just however you're planning on
However you
using it,
wanna
right?
do it.
So your
Not
bacon,
necessarily good for your heart, but
No.
good for your heart.
good for your
for the
smiley
love of
heart.
bacon.
Yeah. Yeah, so thanks so much for going over these. Again, we got the edible confetti. Just roll out those
right.
airheads. We've got the love notes on
Yep.
your bananas with the toothpick. They're kind of invisible at first.
They are, yep,
They appear
invisible.
later when your kids pull them out of their lunchbox and they can
Yep.
see what mommy said about them. Maybe it's something embarrassing.
And we're going to post all of this
Yeah.
on our website so that if you need some ideas, then you could go over to our website. And we also had Lori Wren, our cupcake queen, in last week with a really good recipe for fondue.
Oh,
so you could
so
pair
good.
The fruit.
Yeah, there you go.
You could pair
There you go.
your strawberries with your fondue recipe.
So thanks
I love
so
that.
thanks so much for this Thrifty Thursday Valentine's Edition.